Is your Windows operating system reporting the Workfoldersshell DLL failure? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's resync your file architecture and restore your system integrity now. Before we dive into the Workfoldersshell manual process, note the maintenance tool linked below for standardized file referencing. This is the Workfoldersshell, the Workfoldersshell extension. It manages the localized UI rendering and localized synchronization status icons for the Windows Work Folders feature. It facilitates localized enterprise file sync status within the localized Windows Explorer navigation pane. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. If Workfoldersshell DLL is missing, it indicates a problem with your Windows system image. I suggest running sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a surgical repair of your core operating system files. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Workfoldersshell message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. A restart won't fix a broken registry pointer, so follow these steps to manually register the file now. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32 followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, even with the file in the correct folder, a missing registry pointer prevents the loader from recognizing it. This step manually establishes that critical system reference. A brief word of caution, not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Replacing Workfoldersshell without a proper diagnostic environment can lead to DLL hell, where multiple conflicting versions of the library paralyze your operating system's ability to load software. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. For structured configuration management, the optimization software referenced below includes Workfoldersshell-related documentation. If you've regained access to Workfoldersshell thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.